Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will play Minecraft and now I'm going to play parkour. Okay, we are going to enter the parkour. We're going to play spirals. This is one of my favorite maps. One of I think this is it. Yeah, we're going to play Helix. Sorry if I fell in a bad time because I'm not that good at parkour. So we're just going to parkour around here.
Finally, I can compete. Okay, Joey.
I think I do that job.
What the hell is that?
This is just a game, guys. My word is, if you guys are playing games, don't be like, oh, I just made a big mistake here. I thought that was a shortcut. If that was it, I'm not going to do the whole parkour around here. Okay, so I know some of these parkour maps by a YouTuber Indonesian named Morenzi. If you guys know how to speak Indonesian, you can look to his channel. He does parkour with his friends, and I see one of the maps are Helix, but he's not playing in Helix. He's playing in a different server.
Writing.
He's the one who doesn't even play Minecraft.
You kind of cringe. Where is this? Oh, there it is.
We're going to move from this mountain. So don't jump over here because you're not going to but jump over there. So just follow the map and then you'll be fine. You'll find a way to get that. I'm not really sure if I can do all maps, but I'm just going, all maps is the full parkour because it's going to take a long time. But we're just going to do it, okay? You can just walk into the water. The most YouTubers that play this game cannot touch the water. I don't know why I got scared over there. Where do we go? There? Oh, I don't really remember all the ways, but I'm remembering some ways. Okay, that was a close one, but we made it. Okay, checkpoint 10. This is the hardest one I've ever gotten when I'm 7 years old. I used to like this map. I used to get to this checkpoint and then I was so confused at this one. then I just spin around until I encounter a cave. Yeah, in that part I always lose at the last one, but now I made it. And I always be confused at this level. Hmm, okay, we go there. The books. Remember, if you fell one jump, you got a redo all from checkpoint 10. Okay, we reach checkpoint 11. So this map is just spinning around. So we gotta be careful of the spinning ones because I, if you fell into the void, you can just get checkpoint 6, and if you don't press checkpoint, you're just going to waste time. Ah, I forgot. Oh, this is the one. Yeah. Where are you going? Wait, I forgot where we are going. Oh, that was a such hard part, but I don't know why can't I make it. I think we just need a momentum. That is not a really momentum, but yeah, you can work with my tricks. What? Okay, now you're joking. Okay guys, so we're back at the parkour. I'm going to do the helix again because it's my favorite map. Don't get me wrong, I know it's kinda hard to do this map because in one video I saw that it was 60 level, but I'm not really sure because uh, I never ever really completed any of these maps. So I'm just trying. Uh, the last time I did, I think it was about stage 30. Yeah, stage 30. And I got so bored of this map, and then I just restart. But then I regret it because I think it's near the end.
Try momentum.
Hmm.
Try momentum.
I cannot. I'm not really. I cannot really do
Try
momentum.
momentum, dude. It's what the heck?
So in this map, you gotta be careful about your steps because one wrong step, you can just forget where the way are. So you gotta remember your steps, and yeah, and that's it. You got to see the path. You gotta. So there's this skeleton. I don't know if he's following me or not. Cause be careful when you step into these lava parts. You can burn, and then you cannot see your screen, and then you can just like you gotta be careful on the lavas. I used to be on the level, but now I've been careful. Um, this is not bad. but the lava particle makes me cannot see my screen right. You got to be momentum. A little bit of momentum, but I cannot. Okay. Okay guys, so I don't know why I just got kicked, but yeah, we're going to do what else. It's not playing. My favorite map here is Hardcore, but other than that, I like Wanda, but I don't know why it cannot be played. Hey guys, so I just went on into another server, so there's a few maps we can play here, and there's Hardcore here. Going to try another ones. Let's play here. Okay, so my playtime here is 14 hours in this. Okay, just going to what? Teleport. Let's just visit us. By the way, my username is Akana Juniko. I just got that username from Google. Okay, so yeah, I made a little parkour over here. And easy bots, but no one really came to my plot because yeah, no one really knows me. Yeah, this parkour I did is with a friend in Minecraft of mine and with my brother. So this is normal, but it is kind of easy, but you just need some I don't know why. I can so you can something here. It's not really that perfect for something. What the hell? One thing I hate about Minecraft is I just got kicked out of nowhere. I've been having fun in that, but then I just like, you got kicked from this experience, but then they didn't really have a good answer to kick me out. You know, because I've been thinking, I want you to be happy, I want you to be happy. This is getting kind of annoying because the cobwebs, but this is what my brother wants. There's a shortcut because cactus isn't a full block. You can go in that spot right there. You just need to be careful. So there's this cobweb. We hit it too much because yeah, that's just it. Because I'm part of this block, I don't really need to go into the back again and do all the stuff. Just doing I don't know why, but parkour with ice, Neo parkour with ice is just kind of annoying, so I just put it there. By the way, if you are wondering who's I'm teaming in this plot with my brother and a friend. Alright, so why do you have pistols? Because when you just step on it, you will just move without you moving. That's just it. So now because I have a research pack, I don't know why, but the grass is just like that. You guys don't have to worry, it's not invisible. It's normal, but because I use a research pack. By the way, if you're wondering what research pack am I using, I'm using Faithful, Night Vision, and Dragon. Let's to be honest, I just like the Faithful, but I like to add the Dragon Dance because I don't really like the texture of Dragon Dance. See, it's clear, so you don't have to worry about anything. By the way, if you wanna do this, then one of the moderators here is going to be with you at the side of you thingy because I don't know why I cannot make the part of you thing. Yeah, so you can go here, and then the moderators have to do this. I don't know, maybe I will do that because it's hard for a moderator to only online. So we're just going to do that whole part. So can you see? I'm going to have a letter. I'm just going to concentrate on this. I think that's so this jump is going to be such an easy part, but you have to be careful on here too. Wait, I think I have enough. Yeah, let's just make it like this. It's a kind of easier. I don't know if it's yeah. So this jump is just like 2 points. It's just the same, it's easy. So this is just you just a door. There's pressure point on the oh this yeah. This the door. What? I don't really know this process. It's just something that I didn't know the answer. Yeah, that's just all about it. Let's done with that. This is a duo new jump, and then this has a new jump, and then you can go here and go into the twisting fun. What is this one? Weeping fun. This is twisting fun. I don't know what's the difference. I'm just like to say twisting fun. Okay, so you go into you can you can go in up here and then you can jump here and then you can go here. So this is just a jump like that and then you walk here, the weekly rhymes, the slime, the letters. Honestly, I like the letters, and after that, I don't know what design this is, but one of the designs made it. Now you go into the twisting designs. You go up, 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 and up. You can go here, then that jump again, and then you won. Honestly, I don't know what this is, but you know the ones with sunshade powder.
Don't expect.
So I'm thinking I'm going to show you all how to make it. Maybe a lot of you already know how to make it, but yeah. So I'm going to make the base. I think the base is just like red like this. Yeah, so we're just going to so if you are bored, you can do some things like this. By the way, guys, do you like my skin? If I put the hat on, I will be blindfolded and I have cat ears. No, unfortunately, I like the hat ones because I like the cat ears. So I'm using this design from this design as the ones that inspired me to make this design is there's 4 YouTubers.
Apa?
There's Sunshine, there's Jollibee, and there's Kitten Gaming, and then forgot. Sunshine is for the hair, Kitten Gaming is for the clothes, Jollibee is for the eyes, and I think that's it. There's my cat ears, can you see? Okay. I'm just going to make this quick. Much one shine. I'm just going to make a pen. There's a sun choreography made by my brother. So this is a hook trail. But if you guys really sure you're going to make it big, then it's your guys. To be honest, my progress in one block has been a lot lately. And now I miss one block. I've already made netherite tools in the one block in what network? I forgot. I think this is just a normal thing to do in Fiere because you can create anything, any imagine. You can imagine something, and if you're bored, you can make this. I don't know what am I making, but yeah, you can create anything you want in Fiere because this has a name. Honestly, I'm just thinking about making YouTube, but I don't know how to make it. So, this is spiral. I can't know if it's going to look good, so I'm just doing what I can, guys. I'm just making such squares. Yeah, you can make that if you're bored, and if you have no thing to do, you can make that bigger.
Apa?
So this one
Okay,
is
sabar.
down. It close all the things there, and then you can print it back. And then when it's ready to harvest, you just click this button right over here, and then it's going to lead to the right path. I'm going to show you how to make it. So first thing first, you gotta know where your water reach, because when you use this trapdoor, it cannot lead until this part over here. So you're going to do the base first. I don't know what. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 to here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to that. So after you make the base, you're going to do the hover system, and then you're going to do the dirt. You're going to crop it, you're going to plant the seeds, you're going to make the system. Actually, this system is kind of easy to make. So you put a lever on here, and then your redstone repeater, redstone until you make it all over the way. So you don't really need to do this one, I think. Yeah. So it's going to activate all of this, and then Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.